Good day, everyone. My name is Renan Ipaayas, and my partner name Elisir Idirango. Our infographics is all about data privacy and information control in the IT era.
So, data privacy means protecting our personal information and deciding who can access it. Meanwhile, information control means managing how our data is collected and shared online.
So why is this important? This is important because it's protect our data from scam and identify the thief and misuse of our data. In today's digital world, many of our activities are online, so we can must be stay careful. For the tips, we can protect our data by using a strong password, avoiding sharing too much information, and checking the app permissions, and being responsible to online helps. Keep our information safe.
So, in conclusion, data privacy helps us stay safe in the world of an IT era. So, that is all for today and thank you for
Thank
watching.
you for watching, everyone.